Marcus buys a $400,000 house, shakes the realtor's hand, feels like he has arrived. His neighbor, Linda, rents, invests the difference every month, and gets called irresponsible at every dinner party. 20 years later, Marcus has spent $558,000 in interest alone. Linda has $340,000 in index funds she never thinks about. What is the pattern? They both believe homeownership is the path. Only one of them did the math. Here is what that actually means. On a $400 K mortgage at 7%, your total repayment is $958,000. Nearly $1 million for a $400,000 house. And here is where it gets dark. In year one, almost none of your payment touches the principal. The bank collects interest first, every time, front-loaded by design. You are not buying a house in month one. You are renting money from a bank that already got paid before you touched a cent of equity. Think of your mortgage like a toll booth on every mile of the road to ownership. You pay the toll going in. You pay it every month for 30 years, and the toll booth operator collects $558,000 before you ever own the road outright. Marcus never saw the toll booth map. Linda did. My name is Nico, and I've made this mistake personally. If you feel like you are doing everything right and still falling behind, subscribe. It will help more than you think. Say me $400. K Marcus buys. Linda rents at $1,800 fine month and invests the $600 finding month difference. At 7% average, return over 20 years, $327,000 in her brokerage account. Marcus's net equity after interest, taxes, maintenance, and insurance. Often less. Same income. Different outcome. Entirely because of where the money went. Action step 1. Pull up your amortization schedule tonight. Every lender must provide one, and find where you cross 50% principal repayment. For most 30-year mortgages at current rates, that crossover doesn't happen until year 19 or 20. Action step 2. If you are pre-purchase, run the rent versus buy calculator from the New York Times with your real numbers. Most people are genuinely surprised. Action step 3. If you already own, make one extra principal payment per year on a $400 K mortgage at 7%. That single habit cuts roughly 4 years off your loan and saves $67,000 in interest. 1. Your house isn't an investment until the bank is fully paid. Before that, it is the bank's investment. 2. Optionality matters more than locked equity. A renter with a funded brokerage account has more financial flexibility than a homeowner with a leaking roof and no liquidity. 3. The 30-year mortgage wasn't designed for your wealth. It was created during the Great Depression to make payments small enough that banks could move distressed inventory. Don't be the person who paid $1 million for a $400,000 house and called it building wealth. Lazy investing built more fortune than crypto memes.